Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your phone and credentials so setup goes smoothly. Open Google Play, install Outlook, and make sure Android is updated. This prevents sync errors. Next, gather the email address, password, and any two-factor device or app because you'll need them during sign-in. Tap Open, then allow permissions for contacts and calendar so Outlook can integrate. Once done, choose Add Account and enter credentials. Outlook will suggest account settings automatically, which speeds configuration and reduces manual steps. Now you configure sync and personalize features that affect daily use. After sign-in, confirm the account type. Use Exchange or Microsoft 365 for full sync. Choose a map/POP only if necessary and enter server details. Make sure Mail, Calendar, and Contacts sync are enabled so your data stays current. Set a sync frequency that balances battery and immediacy. Then open settings to customize swipe actions, focused inbox, and your signature, because these small adjustments speed triage. Finish by validating that everything actually works. Check calendar entries and contacts, then send a test email to confirm send and receive. If something fails, don't panic. Re-enter your password, check that Outlook has required permissions, and verify server or security settings. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, clear the app cache, update Outlook from Play Store, or remove and re-add the account. Doing these steps resets sync and usually restores normal operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.